Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Time to have another look at US equities, in particular the Nasdaq 100. And goodness me, what a hell of a fall we've had. So in my last video I was talking about how the Nasdaq looks like it's peaking around the 13,000-ish level. Things just kept pushing and pushing and pushing until it went around 13,600. I do remember we sort of briefly touched 13,700, and at that time it was more than obvious to me that this market's coming down, and bang, the market just dropped. So that's awesome. It worked out really well. Those who have been following my analysis should be looking at healthy profits on a NASDAQ short. So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you haven't been making any profits on this, where the analysis has been pretty accurate, then there must be something wrong with the trading strategy. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Let's see if I can help you identify the issues with the trading strategy and help you become profitable. It's been quite a while I've been doing this analysis, and I've been recording and documenting everything actually. So I'm just going to quickly head over to my website and show you a quick snapshot of my progress. And as you can see, to date, my sort of success rate on getting my analysis right is about 68%. And on the right, I've got some statistics where I show the sort of gains and losses that have been taken over this time period. Naturally, I can't be 100% correct, otherwise I'd be holding a crystal ball. I'd know exactly what's happening on the markets in the future. With respect, anybody who claims they've got an accuracy rate of about 90% or above, I think is outrageous, to be honest. But here we are on the right side. You can see that I do take some losses, but the profits that are taken are substantially higher. In fact, my profits that are taken are 10 times more than the losses that are taken. So overall, that helps any traders to stay on the profitable side. So I'm hoping that you're following my analysis and making the most out of this. If you haven't joined my VIP service yet, then just pop over to my website and join today and enjoy the benefits of my analysis. So this is all looking good. Initially, I did think that the Nasdaq could come as much as around the 11,500-ish kind of sort of level. I'm not so sure at the moment, given the way that it's sort of fallen. I feel there's a very high chance that this could just capitulate from this point onwards. I think the next few days, especially today, we've got the NFP news coming out today. I think would be a good signal to take our cue from as to whether we're going to try and push a little bit lower or that's it, and we're heading upwards. So I feel it's most likely that the markets are going to rebound and head back up to those last highs and go beyond and further. I mean, I'm looking at somewhere around 14,500-ish level as the next sort of key point. So let's see how this works. So far so good. Let's ride the markets up. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.